Friends and family, so let's get right into it. I'm about to apply some bentonite clay to my hair. It's been in braids for about a month, maybe a little bit more, and it's very dry, not taking product very well, so I'm about to detoxify it. So here's my Aztec Bentonite Clay. I'm mixing it with apple cider vinegar. You want to make sure that you get the consistency of yogurt, frothy kind of yogurt, so that it applies easily. Section your hair into 4. Make sure that you clamp each section so that it stays out of your way, and mildly detangle with your fingers if you can. I did that before the video just to make sure that I have no knots in there. Because my hair is so dry, I don't want to manipulate it too much, so I didn't use a comb. I just used my fingers. And now we're about ready to apply the bentonite clay. So friends and family, I'm putting this stuff in. I usually don't show you what I'm doing with my natural hair because I usually have it braided, and then when I take out the braids, I'm in a hurry to put in another set of braids. But I do take the time to treat my hair now that it's natural, because I need it to stay healthy. So this is my bentonite clay thing. I haven't done this in a while because I haven't needed to, but I'm feeling that my hair is feeling extremely dry. It's not brittle, but it is dry. So bentonite clay, when I mix it with apple cider vinegar, you know, really detoxifies my strands and helps my hair to absorb moisturizers better, right? So when you see that your moisturizers are now, they used to absorb and now they're sitting on top of your hair, you might want to consider detoxifying your hair and your scalp so that you can remove any buildup, which I think is what I have now, and then reset your hair, so to speak, to start taking in your products a lot better. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I wanted to show you real quick. This is my hair with bentonite clay in it. I used Aztec Indian clay, and it was about 3/4 full. It's empty now, just FYI. And you saw me opening this. This was full. And it was 16 fluid ounces. I have this much left. Just to give you an idea of the amount of product that goes into this, you definitely want to saturate your hair. And this hair is 4C, type 4C, and this is what it looks like right now. I am going to give it another 15 minutes and wash it out. You saw the consistency of the mixed clay. It was nice and fluffy looking, not too dense. It was definitely thicker when I used it here, and now I regret making it that thick because look at this. You want it to look like this. You don't want it to look like this, okay? This is too dry. There's not enough of the apple cider vinegar in it. So the penetration, I think, is not going to be as good, but we'll see when I rinse it out. Here, though, you can tell every strand is coated. You know what I mean? You can tell that. So I'm going to cover it with my plastic cap. I do not want it to dry out. And I will wash this in 15 minutes. About 10 minutes have already gone by. So I'll wash it in 15 minutes and I'll be back. And we're back. This is the hair after I have washed out the bentonite clay. Oh, I hate 4C hair. I can't. Just can't. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Lord help us. Anyway, it is what it is, right? I know how people with 4C hair say they have definition after using bentonite clay. I've never had definition after using bentonite clay. It's what my hair looks like. But this is still not as shrunken as I thought it would be. It's very interesting. Oh, I'm collarbone now. Baby. Actually beyond collarbone, because collarbone is right here. That's the bone. Ooh, 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 ooh. Very interesting. My hair is growing faster than I thought. Well, okay. You do you, boo. You do you. Ooh, so if I straighten it, that's where it's going to be. Okay, let's focus.